can call me Zia.
I am primary in
Rumah Inggris house.
I'm going
to tell about introducing myself. My favorite color. My old is 11 years old. My favorite color is purple because purple is so beautiful and good color. What is
3.
I live in Junction Pasar Satu. My favorite food is noodle. My favorite drink is garam. Thank you for watching.